You're damn right, it's a puppet. Holy shit, what is this? Oh, it's over 9,000. Is that a thing? Absolutely no idea what these are. Does it move? Does it move? Does it move? Might be me moving it. Well, I'm having fun. Hello, people of the world. This is Jason is Lost Japanese Culture, Adventure, and of course, unboxing lots of Japanese stuff. So a happy new year to you all. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas and you're enjoying the holiday season, but it's the beginning of a brand new year, so you know what time it is. Fukubukuro! Yes, once again it is Fukubukuro time. Now, I've really enjoyed making my previous Fukubukuro videos. I get a lot of positive comments from you regarding those, and so thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't seen them, please do take a look. But here we are with 2019's Fukubukuro video. I've got a couple here. I've got this one from 1010 store, and this is a whole heap of mixed things, I believe. And I've got another one here from a store called Amax, and this is allegedly all Gundam stuff. So I'm not too sure if it's kits or merchandise or whatever, but we're going to have some fun opening this and seeing what is inside. So if you're not too sure what Fukubukuro are, basically on the 1st of January every year, lots of Japanese retailers collect a lot of their unsold merchandise and put them in these mystery bags, and all the items end up being a heavily discounted price. So you don't know what you're getting in the bag, but the assumption is that you're getting a bargain and paying only a fraction of the worth of the items in the bag, or the box in this case. These are both Fukubako. Okay, so 1010 stores Fukubukuro box, Fukubako. Excited? Okay, so the tissue paper. I'm not going to look inside. First thing. What's this? Oh wow. Okay. Dragon Ball Super. What are these? Okay, so it's a stone. It's a rock. Okay, so it's a Dragon Ball Super thing. I think there's a dragon inside, a golden dragon. We've got this rock, this stone. There's a little brush, and I think I'm supposed to excavate the golden dragon head out of it, I think. But that's not going to do anything. I need like something sharp, right? Okay, something that looks like Super Sentai or Masked Rider. What's it from? Oh, it is Masked Rider. It's Masked Rider. I don't know what these are. I know in the show, I think they... I say I know in the show. I think they put these on their belts for power. Oh, okay, so they clip onto their weapons. It's like an add-on thing. What's this? Ooh, cool. Nice little samurai helmet. Oh! Oh! I mean, I'm excited. It's not practical. I don't know what I'm going to use it. It's a rubber stamp. It's like a insignia of something. If you know what that is, please tell me. All right, so there's a big thing on the top here. This yokai watch? Yeah, yokai watch. Yes, you're damn right, it's a puppet. I'm not too sure what the show's about. It's like an anime cartoon, children's show. Admittedly, a puppet for smaller hands. That took a while to get on and a while to get off. Cute little puppet from Yokai Watch there. Okay. Okay, One Piece Dandy Bath Salt. So I think it's like a bath salt for the bath. I don't know the character of Dandy, if that is Dandy. Marco is the character. Dandy bath salt is just what it is. Marco Dandy bath salt. There you go. And oh, Pokemon. What's this? Pokemon, Dragon Ball. No idea. Let's see what's inside. What is this? Okay, definitely not Pokemon. These are definitely game discs for some sort of Discross. Dragon Ball Discross? No idea. Dragon Ball Discross? Okay, they've got QR codes on the back. I have absolutely no idea what these are. If anyone knows what these are, please comment below. Okay. What is this? Okay. It's a little box. Tray Jara box. Let's open it up. There might be a keychain. And in the little box, an advert for Snack World. I don't think this is that what this is? No, I don't think it is. Oh, yeah, okay. The Snack World. Is that a thing? Sorry, I was building it up as if that was an actual thing. Okay, more tape. This is very unnecessary. No idea. Okay, there's a little yellow man. There's a little yellow man there. Take a look. Oh, okay, so there's a man and a cat. I've got no idea who these are. But they came with this, and what is in it? I think it's a sword. I think it's a sword. Please be a sword. I'm going to be very disappointed now if it isn't a sword. Yeah! Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Oh. Does it move? 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 I don't know. Might be me moving it. Okay, it's just a little cool keychain with a sword there. Does the sword move? No, of course, swords don't move. So, the Snack World, if you know what that is, please tell me. There's a man, the little cat is gone, and there's a sword. Okay, so there's a big one here, another plush thing, I think. Was that too much? Oh man. What on earth? Oh wow. So cute little Totoro. Wow. Official Studio Ghibli. That's awesome. I should say as well, this lucky box, this Fukubukuro, 3,000 yen. Wow. That's just awesome. I really wasn't expecting anything from Studio Ghibli in this random box. But I've got Totoro there. That's cool. That's really cool. Ba-da-da, ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-da, ba-da, ba-ba-ba. Oh yeah, the box. How awesome is that? That's crazy. Oh wow. It's not over yet. What else is in here? Let's see. Okay, there's another soft thing here. What's this? What? Okay, so Snack World, another show property. I don't know the Snack World, but this guy is a purse. There's a purse. Is there anything inside? No, just a small purse. But a very large head, which good for him. What's his name? Snack World Face Pochi. Pouch. Face pouch, I guess. It's got a very big face pouch. There we go. It's got a cool little fringe there as well. Then again, he is an anime character. Okie dokie, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think this might be last. No, not the last thing. What's this? Oh man, is this more? Okay, no, I still don't know what these are. These are Dragon Ball Discross. Oh yeah, yeah. Dragon Ball Discross, again, I have no idea. Maybe someone in the comments could tell me what on earth these are, how to play the game. Oh, they look like they go in the scanner thing, the whole... Oh, okay, gotta remember what it's called. Gonna lose all my nerd credentials. I don't really watch Dragon Ball. Power level reader? Scanner. Power scanner? It's over 9,000. Go and watch Akasan's unboxing video of the whole thing. Dameda! 9,000 以上ですね! Dameda! Well, I'm having fun. Last thing, maybe? I think so. It's a box. Yeah, I think the last thing. Last item is... Ooh! Holy shit, what is this? It's My Neighbor Totoro again? Okay, this looks a bit posh. Can you see that? Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, it's like a packed lunch set, bento set. Just this big bento box and a little one. It's really sweet. And is that a napkin? Can you see the art there? It's very sweet. Whee! What does it say? My neighbor Totoro. That's adorable. Oh wow. So we got a lot of crazy items in that 10/10 store box. Cannot believe I got a Totoro. And this guy from Yokai Watch, the puppeteer, please comment below with his name. I have no idea. I know there's two cuddly kind of chibi characters in it, but I've got no idea what their names are. I'd like to know, so do comment below. Right, this Fukubukuro video has gone on for a while, so I'm going to do the Gundam Fukubukuro in the next video. Please stay tuned for that. Oh, look, it's a takoyaki. That's adorable. Yep, there you go, another pot. This could just be garbage. Was the lucky bag worth 3,000 yen? Probably not. Do please comment below with your favourite item from the Fukubukuro. Was this worth 3,000 yen? I don't know, but I want to know what you think. Please do let me know. And you can really help the channel by liking the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more Japan videos coming up very soon. So I'll leave you there. But thank you again so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Fukubukuro! I've got no... 9000 ですね. ダメだ. Well, I'm having fun.